Eid al-Fitr, or the festival of breaking the fast, is one of the most joyous occasions in the Islamic calendar. It marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, and is celebrated with prayers, feasting, and acts of charity. But what is the story behind this festive occasion? Eid al-Fitr's origins trace back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, who received revelations from Allah through the angel Gabriel, which later became the Quran. The Holy Book of Islam, Ramadan, commemorates the month during which the first verses of the Quran were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn until sunset, refraining from food, drink, and other physical needs as an act of worship and obedience to Allah. It is a time of self-reflection, spiritual growth, and increased devotion. As the month of Ramadan draws to a close, Muslims eagerly await the sighting of the new moon, which signals the end of fasting and the beginning of Eid al-Fitr. The day begins with a special prayer service held at mosques, where Muslims gather to offer thanks to Allah for giving them the strength and endurance to fast throughout Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr is a time of joy, gratitude, and celebration. It is a day for families and friends to come together, exchange gifts, and share festive meals. It is also a time for acts of charity and compassion, as Muslims are encouraged to help those in need and share their blessings with others. In conclusion, Eid al-Fitr, the beautiful celebration that holds deep significance in the hearts of Muslims around the world. It reminds us of the importance of faith, gratitude, and community, and it serves as a joyful culmination of the month-long journey of self-discipline and spiritual renewal that is Ramadan.